Hello, I am Satoru Hiwatari, who is in charge of marketing from Tohoku Pioneer Corporation. I am also one of the engineers who designed the special edition speakers. I'd like to introduce special edition speakers, specially designed for ASEAN, India, and for selected countries. First time outside of Japan. Special edition speakers were designed in Japan? Yes, certainly. That's here in Tohoku Pioneer. In Tohoku Pioneer headquarters and factory, where is located in Tendo City, engineers have confidence in Takumi, craftsmanship ability that they have built up studying daily work for a long time. Special edition speakers were a remarkable product, which is realized by that high ability. That Takumi spirit has been inherited from Nozomu Matsumoto, who is a founder of Pioneer. He was so moved by what he heard when he first listened to dynamic speakers. With efforts after years, he realized dynamic speakers, which is first in Japan. Those efforts and result and the Takumi spirit are expressed in the Pioneer philosophy, move the heart and touch the soul. By deeply studying high quality with Takumi spirit, we realize high-resolution audio, certificated, and by expressing super realistic feeling and vividness, we can deliver what is Pioneer philosophy to more customers. We introduced 3 models: Takumi, Japan design, and area-specific characteristic. Gathering all technologies, sophisticated and fantastic speakers are designed. Flagship Special Edition TSVR 170C. High Fidelity Special Edition TSV 170C. High Performance Special Edition TSJ 170C. We, Pioneer, started in 1938, has more than 80 years of speaker design experience, unlike other speaker companies. Our speakers are 100% Pioneer, from design to manufacturing process. We are proud to be Pioneer. Please feel our spirit and enjoy special edition speakers. Thank you.
Special edition speakers are made up of 3 models: TSPR170C, TSP170C, and TSJ170C. TSPR170C has the results of integrating our decades of knowledge, technology, and craftsmanship in speaker, and consists of carefully curated material and parts. That production by highly advanced technology is realized by Takumi craftsmanship, made in Japan. It delivers super rich details, excellent spatial depiction, superb reproduction with a sense of reality and presence, thanks to our precise design such as dual arc ring in our tweeters. That's superb speaker that fit to flagship special edition name. TSP170C has the results of combining Pioneer speaker engineering expertise and capable design techniques that follow part of TSPR170C technology, for example, the colgate surround. As special characteristic, it has open and smooth concept and plug-and-play feature. It achieves rich mid-range reproduction that creates a realistic experience for the listener. TSJ170C has successfully inherited Pioneer speaker engineering expertise of its upper model in creating clear and realistic sound for the listener. In the same way as TSP170C, it has also open and smooth concept and plug-and-play feature. It delivers a wide frequency range of clarity, dynamic, and live sound in the car. I'm gonna show you what in the box of special edition speakers. Each model have woofer, a tweeter, and crossover network, and each also have several included parts that is helpful in installation. We adapted selected parts and optimized structure for each special edition speaker. For example, we selected lightweight and rigid material for woofer cone, like carbon fiber, aramid fiber, and carbonized cone, in order to raise the sense of reality and presence, and adapt different materials for each speaker which suits special edition concept. For tweeter, every model have vertex drive method and realize an accurate motion by reducing transmission loss to diaphragm. Furthermore, we sophisticated and optimized the diaphragm shape and improved spatial depiction and smooth off-axis response until high frequency range. To achieve true high-resolution sound, we think combination of those technology is mandatory. In addition, crossover network is customized for special edition speaker. High quality and capable parts is selected carefully. We deeply adjusted each parameters after many attempts. To show those speaker ability to the fullest, we recommend full Pioneer system which can maximize high-resolution sound. In the same way as that Nozomu Matsumoto created dynamic speaker which is first in Japan back in 1937. Special edition speakers are embodied by our passion and soul. That source of passion and soul is established by know-how that pioneering engineers built up. Special edition speakers are our pride and joy. Please enjoy your in-car life with our new speakers. Thank you.
We made TSB170C and TSJ170C be plug-and-play package. Let's check plug-and-play accessories together. Many required accessories fully covered when customers prepare it during installation. All customers have to do is to prepare tools such as driver, remover, and so on. Especially, there are three key solutions as important accessories: multi-fit adapter, multi-fit connector, and tweeter installation parts. At first, multi-fit adapter. This can be cut as needed for flexible installation in various types of car without any modifications. It is responsive for many car makers' vehicles: Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Inocom, Kia, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Suzuki, Tata, Toyota, Volkswagen. Once you scan the QR code of package by your smartphone, etc., you can simultaneously check the responsive car list and how to install in detail. In addition, this multi-fit adapter has special rib shape which uses topology analysis. High rigidity yet hard to deform. It's effective for damping the unnecessary vibration, and it can support accurate acoustic reproduction. Secondly, multi-fit connector. This can be easily connected with original equipment connector and dramatically simplify and speed up installation. It is responsive for Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Nissan, Suzuki, and Toyota cars. Thirdly, tweeter installation parts. Furthermore, we also provide these parts that you can install special edition tweeter into original equipment position such as triangle corner and in dashboard. It is responsive for Honda, Maruti Suzuki, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Suzuki, and Toyota cars. Of course, we also added the flexible stand so on-dash installation is possible for every card. As I told you at multi-fit adapter explanation, the information of this Twitter installation is also published on the QR code of package. Although the QR code is shown on package, please check and scan the QR code here if you want before you will visit nearby shop. At last, we are planning to publish car speaker fit guide website all over the world. Through this website, Tohoku Pioneer is providing useful information in order to enjoy in-car audio life and feel a value of system upgrade such speaker, subwoofer, and amplifier. You can check detailed information from couple of selections by car and by speaker model. You can also check our system recommendation. Please consider the best system that suits your preference while having fun. Currently, we have only fit guide information on this website as of now. In the future, we will deliver more information such as installation video, so on. Thank you very much for listening to my explanation. Stay tuned for our activity. Bye.